In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off safe browsing on Google Chrome step by step. This is the setting that helps protect you from dangerous websites, malware, phishing attacks, and unsafe downloads. So before you change anything, make sure you understand the risks. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu, and from the drop-down list, select Settings. This will open the main Chrome settings page where you can manage all of your browser preferences. Now in the left-hand menu, look for Privacy and Security and click it. Inside that section, you'll see several security-related options. Click Security. This is the area that controls Chrome's built-in protection features, including safe browsing. On the security page, scroll down until you find the safe browsing section. You'll usually see options like enhanced protection, standard protection, and no protection. If your goal is to turn safe browsing off completely, select no protection. Chrome will immediately recognize that you're disabling security checks, so it may display a warning message to make sure you want to continue. Read the warning carefully. This step is important because Chrome is letting you know that disabling safe browsing can leave your device more exposed to harmful websites and downloads. If you still want to continue, click Turn Off. Once you do that, safe browsing will be disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off safe browsing on Google Chrome. Just remember, this setting is there to help protect you, so only keep it off if you really need to. If you want, you can always come back into Chrome's security settings later and turn protection back on. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.